Writing Prompt Wednesday. This writing prompt is for kids and if I were a superhero. So I want to know, what powers would you have as a superhero and who would your bad guy be? For me, I would definitely be. I want to fly, but I think if I had to choose one, it'd be teleportation, where I can teleport anywhere in the world that I'd like to go. If I ever want to go on a vacation, let's say to Paris, France, or Italy, I'll be like, you know what, let's go. Poof, and I'm there. And my villain would have to be someone that controls lightning. I think it'd be a cool little battle. Like I'd just be poof, poof, poof everywhere as lightning flies right past me. And then I'd have to figure out a way to defeat my villain. Let me know down below what your powers would be and who your bad guy is.